Are you wondering how your guy might be feeling after he broke up with you? Do you think he would be feeling terrible just as you do? Are you still hoping that he might come back in your life and show his love for you again? I know that there must be several questions revolving in your mind, and I would try my best to solve each and every question of yours in this video. I am going to share with you the number of stages that a dumper goes through during the no contact rule. But before I begin discussing these stages, you will have to establish a strict and proper no contact rule with your ex-boyfriend and never ever think of messaging or calling him. You will go through a lot of emotional breakdowns and will feel absolutely devastated, but I assure you that all the pain that you are feeling right now will give you immense gains afterward. In the duration of the no contact phase, I recommend you to watch my videos related to no contact and getting your ex back, which would definitely help you get him back again. Also, I have written a complete section in my ebook on how to get back your ex-boyfriend, which will not only help you get him back, but you will also observe that he is a changed man now and he will be completely mesmerized by you and your personality. Yes, this can happen if you follow the techniques that I have shared in my ebook. Grab access to my ebook for free from the link in the description box below before it costs you $49. It is available for free only for a limited period of time. This video will help you understand the psychology of your dumper boyfriend by understanding the various stages that he goes through after he announces his breakup with you. By going through these stages and understanding what's going on in your ex-boyfriend's head, you can feel a sense of comfort that he will contact you again and can get an estimate of the days that he will take you to call or message you again. So, here are the 4 stages of a breakup for the dumper. Stage number 1, the relief period. I know that it would hurt you a lot that your ex-boyfriend was feeling relieved after breaking up with you, but that is the truth. It is hurtful for you, but absolutely necessary for him to go through this relief period. In the long term, this is in your best interest that he goes through this first stage without any distractions or disturbances. This relief may not be due to the fact that you are no longer in his life, but also because he could get over with breakup which was difficult and painful. The sooner you completely leave him alone, the sooner he will get past the relief period and start feeling the negative consequences of breaking up with you. During this stage of the no contact phase, you will observe your ex-boyfriend sharing pictures and enjoying out with his friends on social media. He will feel lively and act as if some burden just went off his shoulders. Your ex is doing this because there is an initial realization of freedom and all the possibilities that exist with it. But just like any human, your ex will also need a romantic partner, and the reality will soon hit him hard. This relief phase is short-lived, and it is extremely important for you to leave him alone so that he could progress to the second phase quickly. Stage number 2, curiosity. After 1 to 3 weeks of relief period, your ex will enter the next stage of curiosity. He will start wondering why you haven't tried to contact him in any way. This feeling slowly starts to take over his head and he starts going nuts. This whole process is slow and gradual. If you didn't try to make any contact with your ex-boyfriend during the no contact phase, it puts you ahead of the game and increases your chances of getting back your ex by 100 to 200%. The first week after the breakup is the most crucial and difficult. You have done a great job if you controlled your emotions and didn't try contacting him. Your ex curiosity will magnify each day because you continue to be silent and show no signs of making an effort to get them back. Your ex-boyfriend begins to wonder what you are doing since he used to be informed of your daily experiences when you two were together. He also wonders if you are spending time with someone else and what you must be doing with the other guy. All kind of negative thoughts start revolving in his mind and he starts to grow crazy about it. His mind starts playing games with him and he starts wondering what you would be doing during the present moment. Curiosity grows and intensifies in your ex-boyfriend's mind and pushes them to the next stage of no contact. Stage number 3, preoccupation. During this stage of the no contact phase, your ex becomes so curious about why you haven't reached out and what you are doing to the point that he becomes preoccupied with you. You are practically all he can think about at this stage. Even during this stage, you may see your ex posting pictures on social media and enjoying time out with his friends. Don't worry, as he is doing this because he is feeling anxious and worried from inside. Even if any new girl enters his life and he starts talking to her, that girl will always remind him of you and he will start associating every habit of that new girl's to yours. Your ex can begin to associate disappointment in the calls, texts, and even the presence of any new girl there might be. If there is no new relationship, this applies to anyone who contacts him because your ex looks at their phone thinking it might be you, but only sees that it is not again. As this feeling of disappointment repeats itself again and again, his heart gets filled with pain, sorrow, guilt, and he starts missing you like crazy. He has never spent this much time in your absence and it starts to kill him from inside. And with this increasing disappointment and pain, your ex-boyfriend enters the next stage of the no contact phase. Stage number 4, fear of loss. Stage 4 is the fear of losing you for forever. This is the same fear and pain that you felt during the initial 7 days after the breakup. Your ex didn't felt this loss right away after the breakup, but you did. Remember that feeling of panic and uncertainty after the breakup? Your ex-boyfriend would be going through the same feeling right now during this stage. At that time, your ex thought that he could get you back anytime, so it was never a worry for him. But after observing and experiencing that you haven't contacted him for so long, he will feel anxious, worried, and panicked. This is the time when reality hits them in the head and the fear of loss starts growing exponentially. He feels that he has lost you permanently and it blows his mind. That relaxed feeling that he could get you back anytime whenever he wanted is no longer there and it sends him into the panic mode. He worries that you might have moved on and he lost the ability to expect you to reach out to him. For some people, and in many cases, this is when no contact starts working enough that your ex reaches out to you. The reason is that even if your ex-boyfriend is not convinced that he wants to get back together with you, the concern that you could move too far away emotionally or get into a relationship with someone else causes him to open the lines of communication in an effort to prevent you from drifting too far away. You can expect a text or call during this phase saying, "Hey, how you doing?" After he establishes contact with you, you don't have to act rude. Instead, just be yourself and talk normally to him. Please don't get excited and start acting as if you are still his girlfriend. Just sit at the back seat and let him control the conversation. I would recommend you to not let your feelings for him come out. Just talk to him like a friend. Do you want to know how can you approach and continue the conversation after this and drive him crazy to come back in a relationship with you? I assure you that this time around, he will be completely obsessed with you as his girlfriend and will be drooling all over you. If you want to know the secret technique to this, download my free ebook which discloses all the situations and techniques in detail. Check the link in the description now to download it for free before I place a price tag on it. Like and share this video with your friends if you felt I shared something helpful with you. Please subscribe to my channel University of Obsession for more relationship advice videos for women and girls. See you in the next video. Take care.